Buyers, do you pay GST when you purchase a home? The answer most of the time is no, but it depends on a few different circumstances. So if you are buying a resale home, like the home that I'm in right now, for example, someone's lived here before, you are not the absolute first owner of the property, then you don't pay GST. So that's a standard realtor contract. Now, if you are purchasing a brand new home directly from a builder, you do pay GST. And if you have a short-term rental, like an Airbnb, GST can be applicable. Next, if it's a mixed-use residential, so that would be a corner store with apartments above. And if you are purchasing a substantially renovated property, GST can be applicable. It's important to know because that price tag, 5%, on $300,000, $400,000, $500,000, $600,000 can make a big impact in your bottom line.